comes in through the restaurant system, it automatically spits out the instructions to Flippy. Takes a frozen product, fries it for the precise amount of time, and puts the finished product in the end. The cameras not only guide the robot and tell it exactly where it is in space and how to move through this area, but also identifies the food type, and it knows the recipe for each one. The restaurant industry has not been eager adopters of technology. When you look at the restaurant industry today, the last really big innovation was the dishwasher in many ways. And so what's happened is this technology is quickly caught up and is now solving these problems back of house very reliably.